Hi, my name is Chris, and this is Pimiga 2.0. She's 64-bit. That's right. Not the operating system, because that's still Amiga OS, but the underlying goodies and the emulator that makes it all work, they're all 64-bit. Anyway, we'll get into that in a little bit, because it's not available yet. Please don't ask, where can I download it? This is something totally different. What this is about, this video is about a Bootscreen competition for Pimiga 2.0. What I need is a Bootscreen. You know, the logo of the planet that you saw, or the words Pimiga that, you know, Marcus, Luke, and Matthew made, Matthew Whittle made on the current 1.5. Thank you guys for that. This time we're up in the game. So right now I'm here to announce the Pimiga 2.0 Bootscreen contest, in case you haven't figured that one out. Starts right now. As I stated in my post on the groups, as well as the community page of my YouTube channel, here are the rules. So enough interest has been generated. That's great. Thank you guys very much for the support. So number one, keep it simple, or not. It's up to you. I don't know. It must be in a uncompressed. Now this is for the submission to me. The image must be uncompressed in bitmap BMP format. Do not exceed 1024 by 768. Remember, it's still an Amiga. 256 color, aka 8-bit max. It must say Pimiga 2.0. It must have x64, 64, or 64-bit somewhere in the logo. It's that simple. You know what they look like right now? I mean, that's kind of cool, but she's 16-bit. So, what's the incentive, Chris? Why the heck should I bust my hump in Photoshop, or whatever I got, or even on Pimiga, make it in Perfect Paint? Well, here's the prize. So the top 3 winners will receive a Raspberry Pi 400 and 128 gig MicroSD with a copy of Pimiga 2.0 early before everyone else. These are real Raspberry Pi 400s. I paid for them myself. They were $70 a pop, and these were like 20-something a pop. So you're getting a good deal. So first place, second place, and third place. I was going to do like Raspberry Pi 4s, like a 400 for the top and a 4 and something else, but they didn't have any, so I just bought. Everybody gets the same prize. Yay. So anyway, that's my thanks to you. A, for supporting this Pimiga. B, for making it just so cool. And, you know, keeping the Amiga alive in 2021 now. So Pimiga 2.0 64-bit is slated for Christmas. I'm sorry, it's a little bit early. How long is this contest going to run? How long's the fellow got to get his butt in gear and make some work? Now, please don't steal someone else's work. I'm going to know, maybe, but I'm going to put these out for vote. I'm going to pick the top 3 that I like. I'll post the video. You guys vote for our community poll, or we'll figure something out, alright? So we'll narrow it down. How do you get these images to me? Well, if you go to my YouTube page, which this video should be playing on, click the About Me, where it lists who I am and what I do and all that stuff. I have a special, and for this special occasion, I'm even wearing pants. Isn't that cool? Got all dressed up fancy in my Fallout 4 shirt and my Make Amiga Great Again hat. Omnibot's wearing one too. Reach out to a fellow on his email address over there in the old box in the About Me page of About Me. Yeah, that seems about right. And you can submit your artwork through there, because I'm not fancy. I don't have no website or none of that. Well, it's the 17th of May, but there's no freaking way I'm getting this video out. I'll say Wednesday. So this video will be released on May 19th. It's Monday. It's the 17th. I'm filming it now. So May 19th gives the fellow time to edit. We're going to run this through my birthday, which is July 19th. So May 19th through July 19th, or, you know, whatever. You have 2 months, 3 months, 2 months, something like that. 2 months I'll run it for, because we have some other art competitions coming up that are, you know, I don't want to bang heads with. So anyway, that's all I got for the Bootscreen competition. I wish you guys the best of luck. Top 3 people get a Raspberry Pi 400, valued at like $70. Now, just so you know, these are Raspberry Pi 400s. They're just this piece. It doesn't come with a mouse. It doesn't come with a power cord or the HDMI thing, because they're expensive enough, and I think that's still a pretty cool prize. When we open one up, let's take a peek. How do you open this up? Oh. And these are also the US model, because that's where Jesus lived, and that's what we do. So yeah, there you go, Raspberry Pi 400. This will be yours. And oh, yours has the GPIO cover. Mine doesn't. Nice. So I will ship these anywhere in the world on me. So I wish you all the best of luck, and hopefully you don't live in Zimbabwe or someplace where it's going to be $900 to ship to. Yay! So I wish you all the best of luck. May the best top 3 win. Thanks for watching.